Hi guys, in this video we're going to go through the HostCreed VPS dashboard. So I'm going to show you all the tools that are available on the HostCreed VPS dashboard. So let's get started. It's going to be a pretty quick video. On my screen I'm already at the VPS dashboard, but let me show you how I got here. So from my client area, go ahead and log into your HostCreed client area. Now from here, go ahead and click on services. And of course from here you can see all the services that you have active. So click into the particular VPS service. So I'm going to click into that, this one right here. And boom, we are now at the VPS dashboard. Pretty simple. So from here, obviously, you're going to have the plan information, the expiry date, and every other thing. And now, of course, if you want to upgrade, you can click here to upgrade. If you want to cancel the service, of course, request cancellation. Very simple. Now over to the next section, which is the server section. Now you can obviously see the default Linux distribution that is offered by HostCreed right here, the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. And the next video, like I said before, I'm going to explain the entire Linux distributions that HostCreed offers. And of course, you see the username and password, and then you see the IP information. Here is the IP address, here is the location of the server, and here is the memory as promised by HostCreed. And here is the display name, obviously the nickname of your VPS server. And from here we have a couple of options: the reboot, the power off, the power on, the enable rescue, as well as the snapshot. And for the reboot, simply take it as rebooting your laptop, rebooting your phone, rebooting your computer. Now if you see the current status as running, take it as if your laptop is just on, just as I'm using my computer right now. Of course it's running, it's pretty on. So if you want to reboot, you can obviously click on reboot, and then the server is going to go off and come back on. The power off and power on obviously means switching off and switching on your server. Personally, I don't think any server is meant to be shut down or powered off. But if there's any reason to do that, of course, you can click on power off, and then the server is going to be offline. Then the power on as well. Of course, if your server is offline, you want to bring it up on, you're going to click on the power on. And then we have the enable rescue. This one is going to sound a little bit strange. The rescue mode is mostly used if your server is having an issue and you want to boot outside of the operating system that you have on your server. Now your server is going to come on, but the operating system is not going to load up. Okay, now we have the snapshot. This snapshot, take it as a backup of your server. So if you want to make a significant change on your server, or probably install something significant or heavy, or something that you are not so sure of, you want to make a typical change, it's recommended that you obviously take a snapshot of it. So when you click this button right here, a backup of your server is going to be recorded. So you can just go ahead and take the action that you want to take. So if everything works out, of course you are good, but if there is an issue, then of course you can revert back to how your server was before by reinstalling the snapshot. Now let's move on to the next section, which is the IP addresses. As you can see right here, HostCreed offers the IPv4 and the IPv6 addresses. Here is my IPv4 address, and here is the IPv6 address. Okay, you can see the MAC address as well. Every other information is provided for you, as well as the gateway. So the next section says the reverse DNS. Like I said, if you are using HostCreed, you have entire privilege to manage everything about your server. Now you don't need to open a separate ticket to request for the reverse DNS or the PTR records to be set up for you. You can basically set it up yourself. So if you pretty much want to set up your reverse DNS or PTR records, you can come over right here and do it yourself in just 1 minute. And moving on to the next section, here we have all the Linux distributions that are offered by HostCreed. So let me quickly select all right here, and we're going to see all the distributions that HostCreed offers, and they are pretty much enough, about 18 of them. On the next video, I'm going to explain what we mean by Linux distributions. And of course, I'm going to explain all the entire distributions that we have available right here from HostCreed. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Now let's scroll all the way down. Here we have the snapshot. Of course, if you took a snapshot from the button I showed you earlier on, you're going to see the snapshot right over here. And then we have the activities, basically your server history. So that's pretty much what I have on the HostCreed VPS dashboard. On the next video, like I said before, I'm going to show you what we mean by Linux distributions, and I'm going to explain all what they are to you completely. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. You might as well subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your notification. I'll see you in the next video.